So hi, I am Kathy May Rosas. I will be discussing about the writing a literacy analysis, where literacy analysis is asking certain questions or the text, and those questions include studying how or why a text was written in a certain way or under what influences. What is literacy analysis? It is a well-developed paper that analyzes literature from different angles. The literacy analysis proves a point. It is supported by ideas and events in the text, the writer's opinion that correlate with ideas in the work. In writing a literacy analysis, we have this pre-writing. This image illustrates a pre-writing where this is the first stage at the writing process. It is important because it helps writers generate ideas from their eventual written pieces. This includes theme and thesis statements. In writing a literary analysis, we need to choose a theme where the steps select a theme of interest to write about or remember. Students will prove a point, and we also have theme ideas. In choosing a theme ideas, we have this category: love, hate, greed, jealousy, trust, pride, envy, lust, happiness, struggles, revenge, deception, anger, sloth, friendship, knowledge, and etc. In writing a literary analysis, we need to write a thesis in relation to theme. It means that it proves a point about the theme. What idea can be argued about the theme? Thesis or deception is a trait that multiple characters fall victim to due to the manipulative ways of the antagonist. We also have pre-writing outline. We need to choose a topic or theme, write a thesis statement in relation to theme, write 3 examples or 3 quotes that relate to the points, provide a structure and meaning to your topic, and research before you begin to write a draft. In writing a literary analysis, we need to enhance writing. This image illustrates enhancing writing, where it is important also in literary metaphors, where metaphors are used to make ideas about characters or the plot appear more interesting to the loader. This image illustrates the comparison of metaphor and similes, where similes make the comparison by saying that something is like something else, but metaphor make the comparison by saying that something is something else, or says that one thing is another thing. Next, we have the analysis structure or plots. It is the prediction of response of structure to a specified arbitrary external loads, or the plot of the story. So now we have the introduction, first step of writing a literary analysis, which in the introduction includes how to grab readers' interest, includes background information, and the thesis statement. So the part 1 of formatting a introduction, we have attention grabber, which is to hook attention of the reader, and it includes the quote, definition, scenario, present theme, metaphor or simile, and the rhetorical questions. In writing a literary analysis, it is most important to include characterization, which is the characterization is the description of a character's physical traits, point of view, personality, private thoughts, and actions. The part 2 of writing a introduction in literary analysis, we have the background information, where it offers some context about the time period, cultural background, and any relevant historical or biographical information that may be necessary to understand the text. In writing the background information, we included quotes, which is it is the one will the reader will hook their attention, and in writing quotes, we must make sure quotes from text transitions mostly into paragraph, then write quote, make sure to cite it. Also have the thesis statement, the part 3 of in writing the introduction. It is the main focus of paper that will be proven in body of paper. And take notes, present tense, third person, C model, or handouts must be included in thesis statement. In writing a literary analysis, it is more important to have body paragraph which includes the main reason, supporting details, closing, or reflecting ideas in the story or the analysis. So the conclusion is the last part of the most important part of writing a literary analysis, where in the conclusions wrap up main points from body or paragraphs, restate thesis, and end it strong. Additional ideas for writing a literary analysis. First, we have be creative with use of words and ideas. Next, think out of the box. Challenge your writing capabilities. Use rubric as a checklist to make sure all criteria is completed. Then revise, look over grammar. So, I am your presenter, Kathy May P. Rosas. Thank you for listening and watching.